Hello everyone. Let's introduce Emerson's 200 RB valve, the assembly process of the solenoid valve, and coil ASC4. The coil has several parts, like the coil, plug, and cap. For caps, we have two kinds of caps. One is plastic and one is iron. In terms of tightness, it would be better to use an iron cap. Therefore, we recommend using iron caps. First, we pick up the coil. Remove this protection cover, and then follow the front direction and put coil from top to bottom into the valve body. And then this is the cap. This cap is a little bit tight. We need to apply a little more force. Press down with 2 thumbs. After hearing a click sound, it has just been pressed to the right position. The coil can be turned around slightly after the cap is pressed in. Don't worry, this is allowed. Then it is now the assembly of the plug. Before assembly, let's take this screw off. Then use a small screwdriver to pick it off. After opening it, there are 3 terminals inside. For connection, the above one, this should be connected to the ground wire. Then, the left and right terminals are connected to the live wire and the neutral wire. There is no difference between left and right terminals. Either connection to live wire is okay. Then, after you've wired it up, plug it back in. Between this plug and this coil, we put this protective pad first. It has a certain waterproof effect. Put this protective pad on first. And then, look at the ground wire terminal slot. The slot on the side of the ground wire is longer. Align with the longer pin. Then we plug in. Finally, put it in, then install the screws. Screw it in. So, this assembly process of the valve and coil is finished.